Just use it as a pedestrian crossing, and this is it right here, and then right to the side you got the river. Everybody that used to come here would know the name of this river, but this is the main gate back in the day to come over here into Olongapo to get to Magsaysay. So welcome to Olongapo City. This is Magsaysay, and right behind me is the old gate that used to go into the naval base, and I just went over to the walkway which they use for pedestrians, and this is what it looks like now. And I'm going to take a walk down and do some exploring. Got the old jeepneys, plenty of those around. So this is the main street here in Olongapo. Currently here in Olongapo City, Magsaysay, and really pretty cool to be here. Make my way further down. Watch out for the traffic. Obviously, got a lot of vendors out here. Continuing my walking tour here of Olongapo City of Magsaysay. Check this out. Look at these garlic peanuts. That looks nice, man. Wow.
Sir?
Not yet.
Spiral, boss.
I like. Wait. Really tight parking around here. Not quite as bad as Manila traffic, or so far when I was up in Tarlac City. So you got the old American Legion, got some rambutan. Kongs. I think that place has been around forever. I just love these Jeeps. in general, it looks pretty nice around here. A lot of new buildings. Very nice. Olongapo City, Philippines. Almost down here to the traffic circle. Oh, this is all brand new, it looks like, since I actually came through here. So you've got a sign up here. Olongapo Central. Up here. This is the actual traffic circle down here at the end of Magsaysay. And that's where I just came from. And you got this beautiful statue. I think this has been here for a long time. And we will head on down this way, at least. Back here at the statue here in Olongapo, you go up the other side of Magsaysay and check that out. So let's go check it out. Make sure we're clear on traffic and head on, take a tour. There is the where I came from. It looks like the a bank up there. So I'm going in reverse on my walking tour side. Very interesting place. And has changed a lot over time. And it is not what it was before. Definitely not even close. Coming back up to the main gate side. is the Filipino Red Cross, Olongapo City chapter. And going on the inside of the sidewalk. Across this, gotta watch the traffic. This is the American Legion pulp. So heading back up, check this out. I came down that way when I first came down, and now I'm just kind of reversing track to make sure I didn't miss anything.
Hey, where you, brother?
Yeah. A lot of friendly folks. And, it's always a lot of fun to come down and see how places have changed over time, and definitely Olongapo has changed dramatically in a span of, let's say, 30 years. And it's a very decent, pretty, beautiful town. And we're coming back to the main area where the actual gate is. Yeah. TravelingFrogman.
What's sir?
TravelingFrogman.
TravelingFrogman. Okay,
Yes.
sir. And you
Just met a group of these really nice fellas. They're Grab drivers. These guys are absolutely awesome, and they're going to be in my Magsaysay tour video.
Sir, can you shout out Green One? Green One, Green One, sir.
Green one?
Yes, sir. Green One, Green One. Can you shout out Green One?
Green one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, green one. Yeah, number one for the green one.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome. So this is the end of this video here of my tour of Magsaysay here in Olongapo City, and it's really been cool to see the buildings, what's going on here, and I covered a lot, just parts of it here, so you get an idea what's on the main drag when the actual U.S. base used to be here, and it's changed considerably. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing. This is the lasting shot of Magsaysay.